A couple of years prior, cryptographic money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals including obscure dealers, yet today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, running against the norm, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out by means of mining, these computerized monetary standards are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary money-related storms. Generally, cryptographic money is a totally decentralized cash basically founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital forms of money viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, TI likewise highlight Near Protocol as a prevalent player. Near Protocol digital currency, let's near the roots. The powerful arrangements presented by Near are the side effect of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their marvelous commitment to these momentous administrations. Made by engineers Alex Skdinov and Ilya Polosukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the protocol essentially as foundation for development to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving-savvy contract-empowered blockchains. Near Protocol's local token is likewise called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange charges and capacity. Disposing of siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole environment of novel installment passages that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Near custom of a legacy and values which are established on the system of more prominent monetary decency and a chance for all through examination, schooling, and generosity. Near Protocol, nearing the benefits. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing purchaser needs by opening the force of blockchain and find lasting success in definitely speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Near Protocol has likewise essentially dissolved the job of middle people by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized foundation. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is a conspicuous selection of financial backers because of rapid, cost-effectiveness, and steadfastness assurance. Near Protocol, as it were, can be known as an equivalent word to facilitator of brilliant agreement and public verification of stake, POS, blockchain with a mentality to be easy to use consolidating highlights like comprehensible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to cooperate with dapps and shrewd agreements without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. A critical benefit of sharding has been to lessen the computational burden by parting or parceling the organization into shards, or pieces. This would, thus, speed up network limit. Near Protocol utilizes a sale framework to pick validators each age roughly like clockwork, and validators who have more huge stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. In light of our near cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost gauge for 2026 is $63.297. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 502.77%. In light of Near Protocol value forecast 2022, the coin could hit its next obstruction level of $14.98 before the current year's over. It is fitting to add a Near token to your portfolio as it holds long-haul procuring potential and it might offer a decent profit from speculation. Near Protocol cost today is around $10.52. Our drawn-out Near cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a tremendous chance of overwhelming its ongoing all-time high, ATH, of $7.56 this year. Notwithstanding, it might reach $12.60 soon, coming to $20 assuming that financial backers have arranged that Near is a wise interest in 2022. As per our specialized examination and gauge on past value information of Near Protocol, in 2022, the cost of Near Protocol is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $14.88. The near cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $16.82 with a typical exchanging cost of $15.41. Going by the authentic information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost expectation, the near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its coalitions and accomplices on an extension binge, keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing circling supply of near protocol remains at 645,747,533 near protocol value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of an even triangle on the hourly graph, the near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12.15. Near protocol value forecast 2023. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for the near coin's team, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous instability. There is an anticipated possibility of near costs causing a misfortune, showing some obstruction yet just pitiful, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Near protocol value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that near protocol will lead the crypto coin realm with the presentation of cost fixed at $17.92. This is identical to the vary that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows near coin cost has maximum capacity going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. Near protocol value expectation 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92 definitely. This year, no urgent variables like pandemics or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies. It is normal that the majority of the harm done would be headed for fix work in every single world economy and the crypto market.